Okay, so I finally received this package. I ordered at least 4 yo-yos off of Evil Bane on yoyoexpert.com. I'm gonna do the unboxing video. Let's see what we got. Okay. So we got 2 DV888s. A POPstar gray Duncan throw monkey, I believe, the counterweight, and a few string. Let's see. Oh man, that is sweet. A bunch of string. Alright, I guess we can start with the throw monkey. I don't know anything about it though. I'm gonna open up the DV8s. The box is sweet. You got the string in there. Pretty much mint. Whoa, almost dropped that. Oh, that's cool. They got blue spaces in there. Bearing still sounds sweet. Response is nice. Pretty much barely used, just sweet. Alright, the next one. Oh no, it's red. Come on, come on. Again, cosmetically, no dings, nothing. Too sweet. Let's see the bearing. Oh man, too sick, too sick. Oops. Honestly, I'm scared to ding these up. Come on. These two are relatively small yo-yos, but compared to the POPstar, just a bit bigger. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Got a lot of yo-yos here. Can't wait to feel all of them. Alright, peace.